Friends, katigil lang ng ulan. Hindi kagandahan yung panahon. Medyo kumukulog-kulog pa siya. Kumukulog-kulog pa siya. Si Shannon dala yung pagkain ng ating tabingi itong ating tabingi. So, pagkain ng aming mga manok, mangga na mabubulok na, tsaka rice. Nagsaing ako. So, buti honey, you just cut the hose.
Yeah. What hose?
For the water over there.
Yeah, I know.
Nag-mower siya na ano na naman niya na run over niya yung tubig ng ating tanim. So anyway, our video for today is gonna be the last harvest of our mango this year. Kasi yung dalawa dito na lang yung may natitira na kinakain namin. Yung sa may labas kasi, yung maliliit, hindi namin masyadong kinakain. Ito, nandun kay Shannon yung basket. Ito muna kuhanin natin. Yung abot natin. Yellow na siya. Ilang piraso lang to sila, friends. Oh, di ba? Yung iba, hindi pa sila yellow, pero kukunin na namin lahat, friends. Kasi, minsan, nahuhulog na lang sila. Kahit green pa sila, pero hinog na ba? Hindi butikaba niyo, ang dami. Bulaklak. So, hintayin ko lang si Shannon para may lalagyan tayo. Kukuha tayo ng kukunin na natin to lahat ng mangga. So, ayan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Para tayong pero puro lang naman to siya ube. O, diba? Yung arko natin dyan. Yung trellis natin na arko. Puro na siya. Puro na siya ube. At ang ating moringa na yung malunggay ko, di ba malaki to nung nakaraan. Kinalbo ko siya. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda ng tubo niya. So, alam ko sinabi ko to. Nung nakaraan, yan ang ating langka. Nag-practice na siya mamunga. Ayan, no. Pero male flower yan siya, di ba? So, hindi pa talaga siya magbubunga. Hopefully, lumaki-laki siya. Tapos, magkabunga na tayo. Ang tagal ni Don Shannon. So, yeah, friends. Pwede na pang tanim. Honey, go get the mangoes, all the mangoes. Pang tanim na, oh. Yan, ng mga buto. Nag-crack na siya. O, diba? Buto ng ating malunggay. O, diba? Tamad ako mag-save ng mga. Honey, this one. This is fine. This is already. Ano tayo ng ulan. And where's the other one? Get the one that I just got. The one in the post. Really? Why you have the picker? I think we can just reach them.
There's one you can't.
Yeah, this one. See? How about here? I think there's more. There's two. There. That one. And then there's the other one. Oh, this is big. Go
Where's
get that one. Put the basket down, honey.
Where's it at?
There. That one. That's big too. That's it?
No,
I think there's some in here.
yeah, there's some at the top.
Oh, in the top. Up top. Oh, there's orange
Yeah,
already.
that's why I said. That's why I
Oh,
thought it would fall down.
You see it?
Yeah.
And here's another one. But I don't want to stay here because I'm going to get wet. I'm getting this one too. See? They're ready because they're like, So we don't have mango for September no more. Okay. I'll stay here. You get it? You just touch it. You just touch it and it fell down.
Beautiful.
Yeah, we
It's gonna
can.
be delicious.
Yeah. Have you seen more?
Yeah, I'm sure there's more.
Okay, you go find it. I'm going here, excuse me. Ayan yung malunggay natin na kailangan natin putulin. Ito, wala tong bunga. Yan lang isang madaming bunga. See? Ang tangkad niya na rin. Mas maganda yung pinutol natin dun sa harap. Honey, come here. This one fell down already. Oh, you found one? So then what are you picking then? No, really? Here. Look. It just fell down. Still good. See? Yan. Maganda pa. Okay, bahala ka dyan. I'll pick them.
Oh, here's one.
Ayaw niya talaga mag-give up. You can reach it? I can see your chan. Mm. Yeah, your belly. Yan, kukunin na rin namin lahat, friends, kasi pahinog na rin naman sila. Yan, nandito sila sa, ano ba, sa lalim. See? Ito pa. Ito malapit na. Medyo malambot na tuhan. Come here. Ayun pa. Kukunin natin yung dyan. Sandali. Hold on. Ayan, friends, kukunin natin yan. Sandali lang. I think they're kind of ready.
Yeah, I think we can wait though. Don't want to put all these in the fish bag tonight.
No, we're gonna wait till it gets ripe. A little bit, before we can put it in the freezer.
We're gonna mix them though. We're not gonna know who's who, are we?
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, we don't need to get everything even though look, because this one I saw this morning or yesterday, they're not, they're still green, but look, they're
They're
already
soft.
they're already in the ground. Look,
Those are good.
look, see? Andun na siya sa ground, green na green pa. And then look, kinain na siya ng mga ano dyan.
Let's go eat these.
See? This one is kind of soap too. It's fine. So I guess we can have. Oh, here. This is soap. Yeah, maybe more harvest. So it's not the last harvest then. Because look, there's more in the ground here. Look. Tingnan nyo, friends. Andyan na sila sa lupa. So yeah, they're not soaked yet. So okay. It's not our last harvest because there's more here. Look how many mangoes here. Madami-dami pa din. Yan. Hindi pinindot ito malambot. Here. This is soft. Did you look the one from here? No, I'm trying to get this one here because I think they're trying to get the soft ones. So here, see, it's soft. Para, hindi nasasayang. How about the other side? Did you look at there?
I've looked at all of them. Didn't touch them.
Did you touch them?
No.
Okay. So that's it.
That one.
That one's kind of soft.
Yeah. Not really, but
How about this one? So madami-dami pang maiiwan, friends. Ayun. Ayaw niyo pa kunin lahat. Oh, this one is soft.
it's not. I just felt it.
Honey, it's soft. See, madami tayong kuha ngayon. Diyan, ito yung sinasabi ko na hindi namin kinakount na ano ba.
Those are good if you're filling them.
Kasi pinakita ko na rin to sa inyo. Ayan, ang dami.
Yeah.
Ah!
Wow.
Nagkanda hulog-hulog na. Ang dami niyang hulog. Ayan siya, friends.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Here. Get this one.
Oh, it's got hair on it.
Okay, that's it. That's it.
The basket's full, huh?
I know, that's a lot. Ang dami niyan. So, ayan siya. Nanginginain na naman, friends. Nanginginain ng mangga. So, I guess that's it, friends, for our video tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Mag-iingat po kayo. God bless.